all these things, everything that's happening today on terms of the news, we all know interest rates are rising. We just had another interest rate hike.
Yep.
Okay. Sentiment in the market, which means how people are feeling in terms of property. A lot of things are saying they're down, and that shows in the buyer demand, which is a lot less, and it's showing that a lot of people are not being able to get their loan. Okay. I asked you this question, Pranjal, which is, how has all of this now affected you and your portfolio of the 7 properties?
Yeah. So I guess if you're playing an investment game, you're on a different side of the equation. For example, the growth in the property prices. So we do have this formula when the prices are high, and you estimate it probably soften down, you refinance it, take your equity out and park it in the offset. So that's the strategy when the prices are high. When the prices are low, you don't touch your existing portfolio because you won't be able to take anything out. But you can focus now on acquiring more. And if you get some steal deals or, like something that gets given to you at a good discount but still is a good investment grade property. So investors generally, even outside of property investor circle, they're generally active on all parts of the cycle, whether market is going up or going down.
Yeah.
They're just doing different things at different parts of the cycle.
Okay, let's just stop that for a sec, because that's a very good point, guys. What Pranjal just mentioned. He said that when the so-called market, which is prices are going up, he was, correct me if I'm wrong here, he was very active in doing the valuations for his property to be able to take the equity out, and just the key word was parking it in his offset.
Yeah.
Okay, so what that means, guys, is regardless of what the market is doing, at those given points of time when he felt that the market was up, he was active in taking the money out, right? However, when the market is what they call softening, and he's not getting the same values as he was, say, 6 months ago, he's now searching. Am I correct?
Yeah, that's
okay.
right.
So, very good point, Pranjal, on what he's saying, which is at any given point, it doesn't matter when, it's just understanding what to do in those scenarios.
Yep. Compared to the common narrative, when I talk to some of my friends who are not investors but want to be investors, every time I ask them, hey, have you done anything about it? They're like, oh no, property prices are too high. We might want to wait it out. And when the prices are low, they might say, okay, it might go lower. We don't know, it's low enough. Or they might say, oh, interest rates are high enough, so we're going to wait it out.
Yeah.
So there's a very clear distinction between the investors who are doing something at every part of the market cycle versus non-investors who are not doing anything at every part of the cycle.
Who's not doing anything at all.
At all. Whether the market be up or down or stagnant.
Yeah.
So that led me to, kind of hypothesize that it's not even about the economics. It's probably about the person's ability to pull the trigger. So,
well, that is the age-old saying, isn't it, Pranjal, that it's about people taking action. I know it's very cliche about this whole taking action part, but it actually, that's what it is. Because very good point that Pranjal just made there, Jacob, was at any point, whether the properties are going up or maybe it's softening and going down, he's still actively doing something, and it's not, he's not thinking about like everything else that's happening. He's just looking at his own scenario. When the prices are up, take the equity out, park it in your offset account. So that in preparation for
prices go down.
If prices are going down, if they are, if there's an opportunity, he's ready to take it.